RGB COB light can enhance any shooting experience without that much of a hassle. We've been using bicolor COB light in our studio for quite a long time, and if needed, we use other RGB panel lights to light up the shot. When COLBOR hit us up for the CL60R RGB COB light, we are excited to test that out. Thanks COLBOR for sending us the light. We used the light in our regular work quite a few times, and today we're going to share our honest experience. So watch till the end to know whether CL60R RGB light could replace our regular COB light or not. We have to admit, the unboxing experience was pretty satisfying. The box comes with a nice compact carrying bag. Inside that, there are COLBOR CL60R light, reflector, Bowens mount adapter, holding stand, COB protective cover, and a power adapter. Because CL60R's body is made from aerospace-grade aluminum on hand, this light feels solidly built and feels lightweight, which made sense. The entire light comes in a size to an iPhone or any modern 24 to 70mm lens. The body has modular-styled tactical rails, so it can be mounted with 9 other CL60Rs to make a giant light source. Unfortunately, we had only one, so couldn't demonstrate that to you, but it is a clever solution that can scale up any production quickly. CL60R's Bowens mount connection is removable, and it supports universal mount light modifiers. It's designed like a spring-loaded system and with pressure can be easily mounted or removed. Here, we've mounted decent-sized soft boxes onto this, and the mount held it comfortably. On the back, it has 2 dial wheels and a 2-inch display to see or adjust the settings. We couldn't believe how easy it was to change color just by pushing the dial as a button, and adjust the exact number by turning the dial up and down. There's also an indicator that informs us about the color we're in. We'd love if this light had a remote control. Still, COLBOR deserves appreciation for putting time and effort to make this menu user-friendly. The light protective cover also fitted perfectly. We never had to worry about the light getting damaged or whatsoever. COB, or chip on board light, is a panel of LED chips packed together very close. There's no space between the LED chips since they're pretty compact. In effect, it creates one large LED chip that has excellent uniformity of brightness. We used the COLBOR CL60R as our primary light source to shoot a commercial, and as you can see, though it's a tiny light source, it lit up the entire space. It's not only bicolor, but also RGB. We mainly used Godox in our studio, and compared to this, CL60R performed really well. Surprisingly, it delivered an output of more than 22,500 lux, with its included power reflector. And because of its RGB, we could create cinematic and creative shots, whatever we wanted the light scenario to be. CL60R comes with a high CRI of 97+, which ensures the advanced accuracy in color rendering. Besides this, the light intensity is variable too. We controlled the color and brightness locally on the fixture from 0 to 100% of 2700 to 6500K CCT, and it was flawless. It has 13 inbuilt light FX effects: fire, spark, party, explosion, welding, to name a few. These effects gave us realistic scenarios to build a specific filming atmosphere. Being an audio-sensitive RGB light, it can hear the ambient voice, noise, and music. CL60R also has the Hummingbird intelligent cooling system that can control the temperature of the light system. We shot continuously almost for 4 hours, and it kept the hitting at a proper level, which is impressive. Not only that, this light is extremely quiet, like really quiet. We didn't notice any noise from the light while running it at full power. The light can be powered by its USB-C port and comes with its own power brick. It can also be powered by PD power bank and V-mount or NPF batteries too. CL60R has wide compatibility of standard Bowen mount light modifiers. As we mounted it on our 105mm softbox, it fitted perfectly. Overall, we're satisfied with its mounting capability and performance, considering the price. All in all, COLBOR CL60R is one of the best performing COB lights that we have used so far. This light is compatible with a COLBOR mobile app, so you can control all the settings and monitor all the features directly from the app. As we mentioned, a remote control would have been better, but that didn't take away the credibility of this COB light. COLBOR promises to deliver OTA updates via COLBOR Edge Max, and from time to time add more lighting effects to make it a whole professional lighting experience. Thanks again, COLBOR, for sending us this CL60R light and allowing us to express our experience without any creative interference. We highly recommend CL60R if you're looking for